Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to create a zip file on iPhone. This is how to do it. You don't need any third-party app to do this. You can do this with the Files app. So open your Files app. I'm going to navigate to my download folder. This is where I have some videos downloaded from Facebook. So if I want to create a zip file, this is what I have to do. You can select multiple files if you want to compress them. Click on the three dots at the top right corner. Click on select, and here you can select the files you want to zip. After picking your choice, you click the three dots at the bottom right corner and click on compress. As you can see right here, it has compressed it to a zip file. Now what if you want to extract the file? Simply click on it and it will create a new folder and extract it automatically. When you open it, you're going to see all those files you compressed. So that's how you create a zip file on iPhone. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.